Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI FET. The market is still holding micro support there, but yeah, the overall situation in the market is difficult. So we need one more high for a first 5-wave pattern to the upside from the swing low that formed here in a wave 4 on the 5th of August. At least that's the current thesis, but we need 5 waves for a clear confirmation that a substantial low has formed. Because until we get 5 waves up, the risk for another low is very high. And the micro support I'm watching is $1.06. That means any break below the swing low that formed here on Friday, the 30th of August, would likely lead to another low. Now, there is one way of, let me actually change the color here of this wave 4. Yeah, because there is one way of still forming a 5-wave move up, even if we break below the Friday, the 30th of August low. So I'm tracking in the white wave count here a potential impulse. That would be the clearest pattern, but I can tell you that it doesn't really look like it. So I would be impressed if it can really form 5 waves. It seems less likely than the other counts. So the reason why I say that is the wave 4 was a little bit too deep here. It broke briefly that $1.06 level, and in addition to that, the move from the low isn't really clearly impulsive. So I would not be surprised if we break that last swing low, break below that. In an alternative scenario, and that's the yellow scenario, we completed waves 1, waves 2, and then we are now in the 3rd wave, which again is an A, B, C, then a wave 4, then a wave 5. So that would be another way of how this roadmap to the upside could develop, how FET could form a 5-wave move, but it would be very much constructed and is a bit of a hopium count, and it's based on a corrective base, basically. It's based on a corrective base. The reason is, if it's only a 3-wave rally, you need the 5 waves first to confirm a low, and it's just when you have only 3 waves, it can easily always go the other way. So the most straightforward and best setup would be a first 5-wave move up. And I can tell you at the moment in the current situation, there's nothing clearly bullish here. Even the microstructure, I mean, look at this, it's just completely weak. Yeah, it's just weak. And it looks a bit like a bearish flag, which will move to the downside. So in that case, as I said, we could still explore if this is just a B wave of wave 3 structurally. But in that case, then the swing low here from the 19th of August must hold, the low of this wave 2. And that level is around 80 cents. So that means, in very simple terms, below $1.06, the 80-cent level becomes critical support, possibly for a pullback in yellow wave B of 3. That's the update about FETCH.AI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.